Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the Sard's simplification. Sard's simplification, and that will be Tiki method. Tiki method, how we simplify the Sard's by Tiki method. Today we will discuss three types of maths. First type, that is type 1, root 6, and root 6. This is continuation. In this case, the Tiki method is only the answer is 6. In this case, the simplification answer is only 6. How the answer is only 6? Suppose this value is x. Now this value is x. So if we square both sides, that is x equal to this root 6. Now we square both sides. So that is x square equal to 6 into this, that is root 6. So x square equal to 6 into this is also x, so x square by x equal to 6. So answer is x equal to 6. So in this type of sum, the Tiki method is the 6 value is the only answer. In case of another example, 5 root 5. So what will be the answer? Answer is 5. This is the Tiki method. Because if we suppose this is x, then x square equal to 5x. So x value is 5. Now the type 2, root 6 into root 6 into root 6 into root 6. What is the difference between type 1 and type 2? What is the difference between type 1 and type 2? Type 1, this is continuation. But in this case type 2, there is end. So there is end. So in this case, the answer will be 6 to the power t 2 to the power t minus 1 by 2 to the power t. Now what is t? T is how many types of root has been done. How many types of root? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 types of root has been done. So the answer will be 6 2 to the power 4 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 4. So answer is 6 to the power 4 16 minus 1 and 2 to the power 4, that is 16. So answer is 6 to the power 15 by 16. So in this case, the answer is 6 to the power 15 by 16. Again, I repeat. What is the Tiki method? Tiki method is, as it is the ending, the type of 1 was continuation. So their answer was 6, their answer was 5. But in case of type 2, there is ending, that is 4 times root, 3 times root. So 4 times rooted, in case of 4 times root, answer will be 6 to the power 2. 2, that is in this gap there is 2. So 2 to the power t minus 1 divided by 2 to the power t. So again answer 6. The 2 to the power t how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the power 4 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 4. So 6, 2 to the power 4, 16 minus 1 divided by 16. That is 6 to the power 15 by 16. The another example type 2. Type 2 another example, that is root 5 into root 5 into root 5. So answer will be 5 to the power 2 the power t minus 1 divided by 2 to the power t. That is 5 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times root. So here is 2 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 8 minus 1 by 8. That is 5 to the power 7 by 8. This is the tricky method to calculate the value of root 5 under root 5 under root 5. So this is the 3 times of root. So the value of t is 3. And there is the 4 times of root. So the t value equal to 4. So actually the tricky method is the amount, the figure to the power 2 to the power t minus 1 divided by 2 to the power t. So 2 to the power q minus 1 divided by 2 to the power q. So 5 to the power 7 by 8. This is the tricky method to calculate such type of search simplification. Now types 3. Now type 3. Type 3, this type of sums 7 root 5, 7 minus root 5 plus 7 minus root 5 divided by 7 plus root 5. This type of sums, the tricky method is, suppose this is A and this is B. Suppose this is A and this is B. So answer will be 2 into A square plus B square by A square minus B square. The tricky method is 2 in case of plus. The answer 2 into A square plus B square divided by A square minus B square. So here answer 2 into A square, that is root 7A square plus root 5A square, second bracket, divided by root 7A square minus root 5A square. So 2 into 7 plus 5 divided by 7 minus 5. That is 2 into 12 divided by 2. So 2 so answer equal to 12. The answer equal to 12. Again, in case of plus, such type of sums, in case of plus, the answer will be 2 into A square plus B square divided by A square minus B square. So 2 into A square plus B square divided by A square minus B square. That is 2 into 7 plus 5 divided by 7 minus 5. So answer is 12. In case of minus, it will be, the answer will be, in case of minus, the answer will be 4 root AB by A square minus B square. In case of minus, the answer will be 4 root AB by A square minus B square. Actually 4AB. So answer is 4 into root 7 into root 5 divided by root 7 square minus root 5 square. That is 4 into 7 into 5, that is 35, divided by 7 minus 5, that is 4 root 35, divided by 2, that is 2 root 35. This is the in case of minus. So another example, that is in this case the answer will be 4ab divided by a square minus b square. That is 4 into ab, that is root 6, 3 and 2 root 6 divided by 3 minus 2, that is 4 root 6 divided by 1. So in case of minus, the tricky method is 4ab divided by a square minus b square. In case of plus, the answer is 2 into a square plus b square divided by a square minus b square. This is the tricky method to simplify the third simplification. And that is the end of today's class. Thank you.